In this video, here's a quick guide on how to get rid of mold naturally without bleach or nasty chemicals. Mold is a type of fungi, and getting rid of mold needs to involve killing it, not just wiping the surface or covering it up. Mold is very bad for your health, not just for asthmatics or children, but for everyone. Mold can irritate the eyes, skin, and airways, and living with mold can cause you to develop an allergy to it. Research has shown that up to 50% of people living with mold will develop hay fever-like symptoms. Mold is almost impossible to get out of porous surfaces such as wicker baskets, so in cases like these, it's usually best to throw away the offending item. So let's take a look at how to remove mold naturally without harsh chemicals. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is naturally anti-fungal and antibacterial, making it perfect for killing mold. To use it, mix 2 cups of water with 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil in a spray bottle. Spray the moldy surface and use a cloth or scrubbing brush to remove the mold. Remember to always wear a mask, as mold spores can be sent into the air while cleaning. There's no need to rinse the surface, as the tea tree oil will help to naturally prevent mold from returning. It does have a strong smell, but it disappears after a short while. You can leave it on overnight and wipe over in the morning to remove stubborn mold. Grapefruit seed oil. Similar in effectiveness to tea tree oil, but not as easy to get in your local supermarket. Use it in the same way as tea tree oil, combining 10 drops to a cup. Leave it to sit on the mold overnight, so as the citric acid in the oil eats away at the mold. Vinegar. Vinegar is one of the most common natural substances to remove mold. Vinegar can kill up to 85% of mold species, so it's a good option if you'd like something with a milder smell. To use, put undiluted vinegar into a spray bottle and spray onto the mold. Then scrub to remove the mold. You can also spray vinegar onto surfaces such as tiles to prevent mold growth. Baking soda. Again, baking soda is one of those magical cleaning products. Dissolve a few tablespoons into a small spray bottle with water and spray onto the mold. You can also mix it with detergent to make a paste, which is very effective at removing the staining left behind from the mold. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide may be among the most reliable mold-killing options. It's antiviral, antifungal, and also antibacterial. You can remove mold from your ceiling, walls, as well as flooring by making use of hydrogen peroxide. Simply keep in mind that hydrogen peroxide acts like bleach and can affect fragile surfaces. Therefore, we would certainly always suggest doing a tiny patch test to begin with to make sure surface areas are not harmed. Pour 3% concentration hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle. Spray the moldy surface completely to saturate the area with hydrogen peroxide. Leave the surface to sit for 10 minutes. Scrub the area to make sure to remove all the mold and mold stains. Once you've removed the mold, you'll need to try and prevent it returning. Mold loves moisture in warm, high humidity areas. Here are some ideas for preventing mold. Dark, warm, damp areas are prime mold growing ground. Try to bring lots of fresh air into your home and get any damp, warm air out. Open windows and doors to get airflow into rooms. Make sure your bathroom has a good extractor fan and you use it regularly. Vent clothes dryers and cooker extractor hoods externally. Moisture equals mold. If you can eliminate as much moisture as possible, you'll go a long way to reducing mold growth in your home. Don't leave damp towels or clothes lying around or in clothes baskets. Wipe down condensation on walls or furniture immediately. Use the dehumidifier function on your air conditioning if you have one. Put moisture-absorbing dehumidifying granules into your cupboards or damp areas of your home. It's also commonly believed that bleach is the best solution to remove mold. However, this is not true for 2 reasons. Firstly, bleach only kills surface mold. As a result, you may notice that it comes back a few months later. Secondly, bleach is a harmful chemical and it will likely damage your home, particularly if you use it on your walls or wooden surfaces. While bleach may appear to magically remove mold, it leaves behind spores that will eventually turn into more mold. Additionally, all of the health risks associated with mold, especially for asthma sufferers, will still be there regardless of whether you can see the mold or not. The only way to remove mold is to kill all of it and prevent new spores from growing. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to stop mold naturally on bathroom ceilings, grout, and sealant. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.